Welcome. This is Jamb. Year 2011 government pass question. Question number 14. And the question says, in a socialist economy, private accumulation of wealth is dash. In a socialist economy, private accumulation of wealth is dash. When we talk of socialist economy, it means from the concept socialist is a person who who holds to socialism socialism tenets, or who believe in socialism. Then socialism is an economy system in which the state owns, controls, and distributes the means of production. So, and private accumulation is dash limited. That is option A. Option B say encourage, C prohibited, D regulated. Since the means of production and every other thing the state is owned, controls, and distributed by the state, then it is not limited, it is not encouraged, it is not regulated, but what? Prohibited. So option C is correct. Thank you and God bless you. Kindly subscribe for more videos.